Since 1995, Beschle GmbH has stood for expertise and trust in the trade of used CNC machine tools. We specialized in milling machines, machining centers and lasers from the leading manufacturers. Whether you are looking for the right machine for your business or wish to sell your existing equipment, with us you speak directly to the boss. Personal advice, short lines of communication and honest dialogue are at the heart of what we do. Over many years, we have built up an excellent reputation far beyond our national borders. Customers throughout Europe value our quality, reliability and fair dealings. On our website, you will find our current selection of used machines available immediately. All machines on offer are in stock, tested and powered up. Across over 1,000 square meters, we showcase high-quality machines, particularly from the brands Deckel Maho, Gildemeister, Hermle and Mikron, all in excellent conditions. Are you looking to sell? If you wish, we can handle the entire process, from professional dismantling to safe collections directly from your premises. Are you looking to buy? Benefit from our many years of experience in transport, installation and commissioning. We provide reliable support right through to the successful integration of the equipment into your business. If the machine you are looking for isn't listed, our free newsletter will keep you informed of new offers at all times. For over 30 years, Beschle GmbH has stood for quality, fairness and service from a single source. This way, we keep your effort to a minimum and ensure a smooth process. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to advise you and send you further information on request.